Artificial intelligence is changing the world. But what exactly is AI? AI allows computers to learn from enormous amounts of data, instead of simply following fixed instructions. Unlike traditional software that follows fixed rules, AI learns patterns and improves its predictions. Think of AI as a student. Instead of memorizing every answer, it studies billions of examples and learns patterns to make intelligent decisions. That's why AI can recognize faces, understand your voice, write stories, generate images, solve complex problems, and even write computer code. The people who AI today will help build the world of tomorrow. Follow AI Horizon to master AI, 1 minute at a time.